Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, braking assist, front stabilizer bar, perimeter alarm, power brakes, battery saver, rear stabilizer bar. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.